welcome to White Moon Tube. Today I will going to show you how to check websites it's spam or good. You can see here www.websitechecker.com. so which URL you need to check, so going to copy and paste it here, and after that you can go to check it now. It will take some time, so I almost check it other one, so I'm going here. Same SEO 71, usability 68, performance 78, 63, 70, like this. You can see all details here. Title tag, it's only here problem, so you can check the keyword. You can check name server also. This domain age, it's very important for checking. So almost 12 years and 3 months 11 days. Google index here, Alexa ring 50, no flash found. So breakdown here, this is the details. So I already told you the num server. I will show you the num server here. You can see here, this is the name server, Alibaba bands. So if you want to download the PDF, you can download, otherwise copy the link. It's simple way to check any website. So I hope this video helped you. So please, if you like my video, subscribe channel. Thank you so much.